What's going on, everybody? Welcome to a bit of an update video. People have been asking from comments and emails and tweets and in Discord. Mostly, where's part 6? But also, are you alive? So, yes, I am alive. I'm doing well. Some of you might know my wife is a physician. She has COVID patients, but she was even in quarantine for a little bit. But we're both doing okay, and yeah, no problem there. Just been really busy, and 2020 has just been a crazy year. I mean, obviously the COVID stuff. I am still engaged in suing Udemy for copyright infringement. I am. My dog got heartworm. I'm actually going to pick her up later today from the vet. And we treat all of our dogs, so it's very odd that my dog would get heartworm. But anyway, that's beside the point. And yeah, just COVID and just 2020. Like, what a strange year this has been. But the main suck of my time has been the Neural Networks from Scratch book. We are just trying to get that done. When I made the projection of August 2020, COVID really hadn't happened yet. So that was like in a distant land of China, and now it is obviously here in full force. So yeah, we're just doing everything we can to kind of meet that goal. I suspect we're going to wind up pushing that from August. So if you bought from nnfs.io, the projected date was September 2020. I think that's doable still. But there are lots of little piddly things. Like right now, I'm working on formatting the book. Well, I got to format the book kind of twice. There's an EPUB or an e-reader version of the book, and then there's going to obviously be the print version of the book, and then those kind of have different-ish requirements. Little stuff that you probably don't really think that much about, but the page number of the left page should be bottom left, and the page number on the right page should be bottom right, and things like that. And then like building out the index, for example, all these little things, they just add up. And then obviously the images, the animations, and like the animations for the book, if you didn't know, we have like little QR codes, so you can scan those, and that links you to a YouTube video of the animation. So anyway, we're doing all those things and just trying to kind of wrap everything up. But the entire first draft of the book is done. So if you have access, or if you've purchased the book in any form, the ebook all the way up to hardcover, you should have access. If you don't, email me. There's still probably like 100 or 200 people that aren't in the ebook or aren't in the Google Doc. So if that's you, maybe you're just waiting for the book, and I guess that's fine. But if you think you should have access, let me know. And that brings me to the second point, that we have sold over 3,000 copies, or pre-sold over 3,000 copies, which is incredible. So yeah, that's just been really, really cool. So I get it. I know you guys are itching for part 6. I know a lot of people are stuck at home and all that. I totally understand. Right now, our focus is on the book. If you can, I understand not everybody can afford to buy the book, but if you can, that's where you could get the content right now. I wish we could be doing the videos in the book at the same time. It's just the videos are taking way longer to produce than I thought they would, and because the book has a deadline of some sort, that's what's going to take priority. The good news is we will continue pushing the Neural Networks from Scratch videos. It's just we're going to have to hold those off until we're really printing the book, and then we can go back to those videos. So they will come. It just will take some time. And yes, I am alive. So anyway, just a quick update of kind of all the things that are going on in this crazy world. I hope you guys are all doing okay, and thank you to everyone who has supported this book. This is by far, the videos are the best videos that we have ever made, and by we, I really, me and Daniel, it's an equal effort that's going into these videos. So if you're not aware of Daniel, he's the one that does like the animations for the videos, for example, and he's been a huge part of the book as well. So it is by far the coolest piece of material, both in video form and written form. There is no book that compares to this book, and I don't think there are any movie or videos that are comparing to these videos. So I am super thankful to have the opportunity to spend so much time making such high quality material, because usually the material I produce, even though it often is better than those around, it's pretty quick. Like, I don't really have to spend that much time polishing it or making it nicer. But the other kind of side effect is I can't go very deep into complex topics. So I really appreciate the opportunity to be doing that, and I hope the outcome is something everyone will enjoy, because this has been so cool, and just like I've learned so much doing it. So anyway, stay tuned, more stuff to come for sure. And then after the Neural Networks from Scratch series, we are pretty much for sure going back to the Python Plays GTA 5 series. So stay tuned for those things. That will probably be 2021. But yeah, that is the hope and the dream, is to return back to that. And just have some fun again with that series, because both me and Daniel, that's where we met, right? Daniel came in around that time. We've learned so much since that time, that it'll be really cool to see what we can do on a kind of revisiting of that topic. But anyway, that's all. If you've got further questions, comments, whatever, feel free to leave them below. If you want to get the book, again, the whole book is available. We're missing images. There are some images, but we're still missing some images. But the actual content, the explanation, the code is all there. We're covering a full forward pass, backward pass, all the optimization, actually training a neural network. Everything is there, including using your own data. We end up at the end, we're using not MNIST, it's the fashion MNIST dataset, so something a little different. But yeah, it's from training, testing, doing validation and testing sets, and adding in your own data, how to kind of format that, all those kinds of things, everything from scratch. It is the coolest thing that I know of. I don't know of a cooler book. So definitely check it out if you can. Otherwise, stay tuned for the videos. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.